Okay, I'm not in peak condition today, and I do have some other work to do, so let's choose an easier problem set. Yeah, 1900 should be fine. Just thinking I might want to do 2000, but nah, let's just do 1900 and try to get it over with in an hour. What looks good? D now. Prime. How about a lot of XOR stuff? Yeah, I did it. Fish grabs. Now let's do the butcher. I assume this is a div 1 question. Be weird if it was div 2. Of course, it's impossible for it to be div 3 or 4, so I guess that's 1819b. Let's see, what's the blurb? Yeah, I wonder how slow Codeforces will be today. Multiple test cases, yep. So the box will contain n rectangles, and you can do this operation n-1 times, yep. So all possible pairs, we have to count the number of pairs. Okay, no, all the pairs, and yep. So I'm guessing there won't be too many pairs. So I'm pretty sure an approximation for the number of divisors is n to the cube root of n's, the cube root of the area, I mean, so there should only be like 1,000 possibilities to iterate over, and then you have to figure out which ones we can iterate over. So I guess let's write some code to input this, so yep. Yeah, time limit, 2 seconds. 256 megs, okay. ln, yep. No real need to one index this, vector LLAV, and then one iterator, so 4, serialize this plus, yeah. In AI, BI, yep. And then I'll just height, it doesn't really matter, but okay. And then we have that, and A pushback, AI, B. Yep. And that should compile. So I guess the first thing we do is we calculate the area. I guess we can do that in this loop. Yeah, I guess an annoying thing will be if this is prime, because then it will be hard to factorize. I wonder, is there a fast factorization algorithm? Probably not needed. Oh. I guess what I'm thinking is to try to find like the largest possible thing. So let's say let's go with the second cast. Not much point in doing that, but so we go for the largest one, which is like 8 times 7. Then for each smaller option, we try to repeatedly fill in by going directly next to that. And then I'm pretty sure if we just go like on the very uppermost and the very bottommost, that should be, yeah, and then we just try to fill that in, branching in every possible direction. And since we probably need to make it using dynamic programming, because like then 2 to the power of n won't work. I don't think with 2D optimism, 2D I'm not sure it would work, but we can probably like verify with, we can use backtracking. So yeah, I wonder, would a backtracking solution work? Yeah, I guess another question is like, how do you differentiate between like, let's say 8 times 7 and 9 times 9? I guess would it really matter even though you can always just go by the largest of the two? So I guess one way I'm thinking of sorting it is yeah, this way of representing it isn't really necessary. So yeah, we don't really need height, width. Let's just put so we'll have a vector of array LL3, and we'll have max height width. Then I think height is next. Yeah, height width. So, and we obviously want to iterator sound. Rex, I think. So we have max LBI. Let's just rename this the height and width and make it easier to work with. And does that compile, or did I forget a bracket? Yeah, I forgot a bracket somewhere. Where did I forget the bracket? a comma, I forgot. Probably forgot something else too. Yep. And that compiles. Okay. Yep, and I'm thinking that we just need to make sure that at each branch but that's actually a lot of places we can put it. I think find users yeah, where's this topic list? So number 3, we want to find all the divisors. Is there one for factoring very fast? Factor. Let's pull it around. Oh. Yeah, it's probably not the case, the path we want to go down. Yeah, we could just consider DP and like the sizes of the rectangles we create, so. Oh yeah, it's cutting, so that makes it a lot easier. We just want to. Yeah, what the hell was I thinking? It's not the right path to take. Yeah, just go DP up. Consider all possible things we can cut from. And yeah, that should be a solution. So this is also useless. We'll just keep it as pair. Let's make it easier. Rex. That compiles, I assume. Yep. So, yeah, we just start from the smallest. Start from the smallest both ways and consider all things we can build up. So I assume we'd use like a map. Or rather a set of the possible rectangles we can create. Yeah, I don't even know if you have to sort this. We can just yeah, I think we have to sort it. Let's say sort from the smallest to the biggest in terms of the height first. Or we can just like, yeah, group all the heights together. Group all the things that are the same together. Then make that like cuts or something. Or is there some observation I'm missing? Oh. Yeah, there is. Yeah, the first cut will always have either a maximal height or maximal width. Yeah, okay. Then I think we can just use that because, yeah. Then we just have to determine whether it's possible and which way. Okay. X with height. I think it should just be greater. That should work, right? I don't know. Yeah, it does work. Oh, I hope this doesn't screw me over, but Okay, but anyways, once you have like a possible, you combine all the things of the same whatever. Oh, then you remove those, so you stop considering them. Yeah, we'll probably just use a set of rectangle heights or whatever. And then you just do that to the end. Oh, I don't think we even need a sort, because we'll just be using this as like a set too. Oh, yeah, let's make these sets. And to make it easier for us, we'll do then I think it's greater up here. Did I miss out? I think, yeah, I missed out on bracket of this kind. Oh, template argument 2 is what the hell did I do wrong? Oh yeah, I don't need this stuff. It's only for like a priority queue, I think. But anyways, we'll try. First of all, we'll store like a backup of this, so auto rex hb plus rex. Shouldn't kick up a fuss, right? Yep. So how do you determine it's the correct one? So we want to ensure that the subpart, when it's all summed up together, is equal to that. I think it's better to just do this recursively. Yeah, it's easiest to do this recursively. Yeah, and we're returning a long set. I'll just do return -1 for now, see what the fuss it kicks up. Yep. First we'll do you'll find the largest one of these first, so I'm interested to see if this is like, I'm doing like order of operations wrong, so I'll just leave it at that for now. So, this is like the height of all the things we're moving. So, for and then like if nothing to do there, so anyways. C++ has short circuiting, so it should be fine. And then we can move it from both. Wait, are these? Oh, these are not independent, so we have to do multi-sets. I mean, they aren't distinct. Yep. Pile's fine. Yeah, I'll do the first this one, so. What's wrong with 90? Oh yeah, percent cone. Hopefully this works, and then okay, this notebook's done. On to the next. That one's being used for something or other. Not sure it was. Okay. Here's a black one. So, if it still has size, now we do the swapperoo. So we had greatest like that. If possible, Rex. If it's not the same as the height, you turn -1. Oh. Actually, I should probably learn how to use copy in C++. Actually, yeah, we just do this. I'm not going to bother creating a clone function, obviously, so. I presume debugging this will be a big pain, but what can you do? And does this compile? Yeah, it needs to declare that. Okay, so I actually have to do this for all of them. It's annoying, but what can you do? This. And of course, this as well. Yeah, what does this give me? Yep, of course. What is this arcane output it's giving me? Yep. So it's not returning this correctly. Was it returning W? And of course I need to deal with duplicates as well. Is that what's screwing it up? I don't think so. Of course. And this should work except for duplicates, then I need to figure out how to. Yep. So now I just do duplicates. probably get in the habit of doing. Nah, it's not important. Now, no, does this work? Yeah, we need to bracket this. Yeah, I'm guessing hopefully this gets accepted. Shouldn't be this slow, should it? Oh. Okay, yep. I really don't want to debug this question right now, so hopefully it just gets accepted, or if it time limits, then I can probably use some optimization somehow. But it just looks like the queue is long. Yeah, how long is the queue actually? Let's see. Oh, a lot of. Well, not even on this page. Oh, damn Cloudflare. That's 38, so which page am I on? This page. Very slow. Yeah, if it time limits, I'll be annoyed. Actually, I wonder, I can do. No, I can't sort status that way. Okay, yep. Accepted. That's done. Yep. Less than an hour.